Hi, it's Mike Corbett from XYZ Machine Tools here. You've probably not seen me on the web for a while, but I'm back because I've got some really exciting news of new products that XYZ are now bringing to the market. First thing I'd like to introduce you to is the new KMX Control. This has been designed from the ground up to be fitted to our turret mill range of machines. That's the 1500, 2000 and SLV. This product has been specifically set up to be used with 2 or 3 axis turret mills. It still uses the conversational programming that Prototrac are renowned for, but it's now got features and capabilities suited to this style of turret milling machine. It's still menu driven, still using the menus that we know and trust, but it's tailored to suit this type of machine. The other bit of exciting news we've got is we're now supplying on our bed mill range, that's the XYZ 2500, 3500, 4000 and 5000, is the brand new RMX Control. This is a radical departure for us now because we're now using a 15-inch touch screen. That means that navigating your menus is a lot easier, a lot simpler. You basically just touch the screen on the feature that you want. And we've got full gesture control. So to scan through my program, I'm just using swiping capability, just like you would on your mobile phone. But navigating things, you just touch the screen. You select the function that you want, and we can then program and prove our program and do all those things. But there's some great additions to RMX. Things like adaptive material removal for faster processing time. And a load of other new things like surface speed programming, feed per tooth. It's absolutely packed with some great features that machinists really would benefit from. So the products, as you can see, are being fitted to our machines now. So if you want to have a demonstration of either the KMX or the RMX, we can either come to you with the demo box. Our sales team will be only too pleased to do that. Come and visit one of our showrooms. Either way, if you want to see these products, give us a call, 01823 674 200, or send us an email, sales@xyzmachinetools.com, and we'll be only too pleased to show you these brand new products.